In the Flathead Range, the avalanche danger was rated moderate at mid and upper elevations today. Warning of shallow but tender wind slabs and unlikely but destructive persistent and deep persistent slabs. There was about 6 inches of low density snow above a solid crust as we climbed up above Skiumah Lake, which made for good stability and decent skiing. Blowing snow was our first sign of instability. And in more drifted areas, we started to see shooting cracks. Fortunately, that crust acted as a landmark and we could easily gauge how much snow and how drifted it was. Wind slabs were small and relatively harmless, but we decided to avoid wind-loaded terrain where even a small avalanche could have harsh consequences, like above cliffs or in long-running gullies. As we climbed higher, the spatially variable persistent concerns required our attention. To keep it simple, we opted for well-supported, moderately angled terrain and only rode steep rollovers on relatively small terrain features. Lastly, we wanted to check out the deep slab that was triggered last Tuesday by a skier kicking off a cornice. The slab was 8 feet thick and failed on a faceted snow layer just above our Thanksgiving crust. Like all the deep slabs we've observed in the past month, this one also failed from steep, rocky, high elevation terrain that is littered with shallow trigger points. No need to play Russian roulette today, so we avoided that kind of terrain as well. Moderate danger means heightened avalanche conditions on specific terrain features. There was still plenty of fun terrain options, both steep and low angle, to enjoy the fresh snow on the way back down, while staying away from the specific slopes or parts of slopes that we had identified as concerning.